What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. I am actually in Las Vegas right now. Just finished up with the eBay Open, and now I'm actually getting ready to go out to the ASD Wholesale trade show. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's literally thousands of vendors who are selling wholesale products, suppliers, a lot of cool inventory options and just ideas for private label and wholesale sellers. But I want to make this video really quick because my good friend Dan Metters and Eric Lambert with the Wholesale Formula, they're actually putting on a free wholesale workshop that's starting August 6th and it's going till August 10th. It's 100% free. All you got to do is check out the link down below in the description, sign up for that. It's free. It's 5 days, so there's going to be a video every single day, the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. And these guys, I've been working with them for a couple of years now, and we've done a bunch of videos together. They're really good guys. So, you know, whether you're just thrifting, selling on eBay, or maybe you're doing retail arbitrage on Amazon, maybe you're looking to scale your business, find a new business opportunity, these guys are the real deal. They've done, I think, almost $15 to $20 million since 2011 wholesaling, and they're really good guys. Like I said, I've been working with them for a while. So check out the free workshop. It's coming August 6th. Link is in the description. You are gonna have to put in your email because they're gonna send you over the information to be able to watch the videos, so on and so forth. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a great day. I'll probably go live maybe today and show you guys some of the cool stuff that we're seeing at the ASD Wholesale Trade Show. So if you're not able to make it out to Vegas, I got you covered. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Sign up for the free workshop, and August 2nd, so a couple days, I'm gonna actually be interviewing these guys as well. So we're gonna be bringing a bunch of content to you guys to help you out, to get you started. So with that being said, sign up, see you guys soon. Talk to you later.